how to add boom sound effect, anything you want on CapCut. Okay, first you want to go to YouTube, and then you want like record what you do, like what I'm doing right now. You want to record your phone, and then you want to search up something, and then go to one of the videos, and like I was saying, you want to record it. And then right when you do that, you know what else you do? Go to CapCut, and then go to one of your videos, and then keep going down until like you find a good video, and then go to audio, go to I don't know what it says, I'll just point it, and you want to go up and go to that video, and then just I'm going to do this funky one, and it's like that. So like and subscribe if this was helpful, and see ya. Make sure you find the monkey and get a shout out.